Well, hi there, everybody. Good morning. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Tuesday morning. It's a sun-filled start to our morning out there. No fog that there's futurecast is showing in the northeast. We're not seeing any of that this morning. I think it's been overdoing the fog recently, but plenty of sunshine. More snow melt expected today, and the winds will not be very strong. They'll be much lighter out of the west and northwest today, around 5 to 10 miles per hour, maybe a little higher at times. Again, Futurecast insisting on fog developing tonight. I don't think that'll happen. We'll be looking at mostly clear skies overnight. Couple of things to point out tomorrow. Winds kind of turning more southwesterly. Eastern Nebraska, you're going to get on some extra clouds tomorrow. There's going to be a bigger system off to the east here. Should miss our area, though. All the precipitation should be to the east. But just maybe instead of a sunny day, a mostly sunny day. Maybe even partly cloudy for some. Lots of sun in the middle part of the state. And then here to the west, here comes some late day clouds associated with the cold front. And also look at the wind shift. Northwesterly winds behind that front, and those northwest winds are going to strengthen overnight and into tomorrow. That front passes through at midnight tomorrow night in the Tri-Cities area, pushes through the rest of the area the rest of the night. A little light snow late night here, not much though, in southwest Nebraska. The rest of us increasing clouds. Winds are going to crank up out of the northwest. It's going to be a windy day on Thursday. We could see some gusts on Thursday up to 45 miles per hour. Out west, maybe even up to 50 miles per hour. And then this little batch of snow up here to the northwest by our Local 4 banner there, our Local 4 logo, that's going to move in Thursday afternoon into Thursday night. And that does bring a little bit of a round of some light snow. Not expecting a heavy snowfall event, but that said, we could see some light accumulation, maybe around a half inch to an inch, and perhaps a little more than that up north. Most models are under an inch, but this model's a little heavier here. This out here to the east, that's all due to the snow that could come on Wednesday with that big storm system just barely missing us here. So we're looking at a lighter snow event on Thursday, then it'll melt off Friday and Saturday. So highs today, back to the 40s, a little bit warmer than yesterday, maybe even near 50 in southeast Nebraska. Possibly still upper 30s up here north around O'Neill. There's so much snow on the ground still. Grand Island's probably going to be warmer than the other two locations. I wouldn't rule out 50 in Grand Island today. Tonight, we'll drop back into the upper teens and 20s for overnight lows. Highs tomorrow, just as warm, if not warmer than today. It looks like a good-looking day for your Wednesday. And again, I think Grand Island's going to be warmer than those other two locations in the Tri-Cities. Could break the lower 50s for your day on Wednesday. Wednesday night, upper 20s and lower 30s, not too bad as the clouds are increasing, the winds are increasing, but then a chillier day on Thursday. Highs mostly in the 30s, perhaps near 40 or so in the southeast. So a chillier day. In fact, some of these temperatures will probably drop a little bit later in the day as that snow starts to move in from the northwest. Couple of quick looks at the long range here. Again, here comes that system. This is the European forecast model. That's tomorrow's system, just missing us to the east. And then there's the round of light snow Thursday afternoon and evening. Then quickly clears out. Friday's going to be sunny again, so is Saturday. And then a few more clouds on Sunday. Then we await on the next system arrives sometime in the middle of next week. Possibly early on rain, but then maybe eventually some snow. That's as far out as my model goes there, but that's going to be interesting for the middle of next week, as we could get some potential snow in our area. Here's the GFS model. Clear skies today and mostly clear tomorrow with that system missing us just to the east. Snow moving in Thursday behind that cold front. Very windy conditions as well. Those strong north and northwest winds. Round to some light snow. And then dry conditions Friday and Saturday with lots of sunshine. A few more clouds around on Sunday. Quiet Monday. Monday looks pretty nice actually. And Tuesday might be okay as well depending on the timing of that next system. But then eventually maybe some rain. And then possibly on the backside, and this is again as far out as this model goes, but on the backside, maybe eventually getting in on that snow out west. Maybe that moves across our area. So sometime between Tuesday and Thursday could be fairly active next week. So it looks very interesting. Let's take a look at the 7-day forecast for the Tri-Cities. Again, lots of sun today and tomorrow. Mid to upper 40s, probably low 50s in Grand Island tomorrow, maybe even today. And then a chillier day Thursday with a round of some light snow in the afternoon and evening. Very windy conditions. Still a bit breezy on Friday, but the sunshine returns. A high close to our average, high in the upper 30s. A nicer day on Saturday with some breezy winds. Lots of sunshine, highs around 50. Not as much wind, but more clouds on Sunday, so it'll be a little cooler. And then Monday's looking pretty good. Maybe even into Tuesday could still be fairly mild, but then temperatures will start to drop off Wednesday to Thursday on the backside of that system here. So things are looking very interesting down the road. Let's look at the big picture here across the country here. Again, mild weather, not super warm, but mild weather the next couple of days. A little chillier on Thursday there. Starting to warm up by the weekend, though. into early next week. And then there comes that system from the desert southwest. And eventually a little colder air getting sucked in late next week as well from the north here. So it could get a little chillier later next week. But that's a long ways out yet. I'm not going to focus too much on what types of precipitation or timing or how much or anything like that. It's just way too far out yet to get too focused. Just kind of your early heads up. Hey, next week could be a little more interesting than this week. So, but even Thursday, a little around to light snow, not out of the question. So maybe a little dusting to up to an inch or so of snow in some spots. Again, focusing on northern Nebraska with the best chance. So, well, I got to let you all go, but I want to thank you all for watching on this Tuesday morning. I'll see you all again on Wednesday with all of the latest. Until then, take care. God bless. Bye.